Okay, I know this is not really gaming, but I guess it is because this is a gaming website that I made using Google Sites. So if Google Sites is banned for you, like me, you can't play it because, bitch, I don't know how to code because every fucking YouTube video I look up, yeah, fuck you, get Google Docs. No, not fuck you, get Google Docs. Fuck you, get Google Sites. When I type up without fucking Google Sites. So, you can play, like, the game, the first ever game I played on a laptop. This is another Simpsons one. It's just like that. Dancing Bush. You can play Murder. You can play Slope. Out of desperation of wanting to fight Nicole again, she threatens to get Nicole fired from the Rainbow Factory. And because she can't let that happen, as that's her only job, and I don't know if I put anything, so let me check. No other choice but to go out. No, I didn't put anything for home. It's just there. But the game might show as Burrito Cat, but the actual website is Fun at School. And you can just type either Slope or Flash Games. So, yeah. Those are pretty much all the games. I want to add more. And just copy this whole entire thing if you can't find it. Bye.